Hey guys, what is up? I'm here in St. Charles, Missouri. Here along the Katy trail here. See a couple cabooses behind me. As you can see one there. Getting ready to start another great adventure here. I'm gonna ride the Katy trail again. It'll take 6 days. Today is Wednesday, the August 28th. I'll be back in St. Charles here on Monday the 2nd. Should be a good time. Gonna be pretty hot a couple days. Friday's supposed to get some rain, but I'll show you guys around St. Charles here. Join me on this adventure. Hey guys, I'm here at the Bike Shop Cafe. That's just right across the street from where we were recording earlier. There'll be my shuttle service from St. Charles to Clinton. From what I understand, it's about a 4-hour ride. So yeah, should be okay, I think. I normally take the Amtrak, but like I said, I wanted a different experience, so we're gonna try the shuttle this time. Okay guys, got the bike all loaded up here. Got about 30 minutes before we take off. Guess I'll get her unstrapped and get her over to the bike shop here and go inside and talk to him. Guys, made it to the trailhead here in Clinton. We're getting ready to take off here. From here it's about 237 miles to the end. Nothing else to do but ring the bell and start turning the pedals. Let's get started. Hey guys, just getting started here, pedaling the first mile here. It's about 1 o'clock. It's about 88 degrees, not too bad so far. It's supposed to get over 94 or 5. That's later in the day though. Today we got a short 17 miles to Windsor. See you along the way. Hey guys, we're about 5 miles in here. See it in front of me, that's an old telegraph pole. Pretty small. I think that's how they used to communicate with the railroad. Used to communicate, goes through telegraph lines. Pretty cool. It's still there. Hey guys, here at the Calhoun trailhead. We'll do a trailhead check. We've got water over here. I've never seen this. I don't know if it's always been here or what. As many times as I've been through here, it's got water. I don't know how cold. It's got flushable toilets. This is a nice bathroom. That's your Calhoun trailhead check. Hey guys, just leaving Calhoun here. Next stop is Windsor, be our final destination for the day. 7.2 miles. Hey guys, just outside of Windsor here. I got off the trail for a second. Went up to the dollar store. Got me a towel and some stuff for dinner. Enjoyed the AC and a cold Powerade. Pretty good. The little joys of bike touring. This is new since I've been down this way. This tunnel wasn't here before, I don't think. It's pretty new. Yeah, that's brand new concrete. Guys, just rolling into Windsor here. This will be our final stop for the night at the Katy Junction campground. Enjoy the ride in. Hey guys, finally made it to Windsor, made it to Katy Junction campground. Met with the owner. He was really nice. Offered me something cold to drink when I got here. Offered me pretty much anything you could want. So I think I pretty well have everything. I only did about 20 miles a day. Short day since we got into Clinton kind of late. Anyway, so here's the campground. I'll show you around the campground. My trusty steed over there. I'll be camping by that picnic table. restroom and shower house over there. Garage here. Let me park my bike in here. Pretty cool. We got a little stove. We got a microwave, refrigerator. Any of that was free to use. Got a couple cabins here. Right now that doesn't sound too bad. One there and one over there. Around the front of the bathrooms is the office. Anyways, we're gonna camp set up. It's pretty much the campground. Sure, there's a place I can plug in my electrical devices. Yep, I think right here. Hey guys, got camp all set up here. Everything on the table I need to cook with. Stuff for the shower. That's gonna be happening pretty quick here. Tent all set up. Air mattress and pillow. I think it's trying to cool off a little bit. I got here, it was like 94 degrees. Anywho, I think next on the agenda is the shower. I don't know that there'll be one tomorrow night. Okay guys, there's a Casey's over there. There's a refrigerator there. Casey's refrigerator. Casey's refrigerator. Well, the moral of the story is hey guys, into day one here. It's about 8 p.m. I make it into the tent. Signing off for the night. See you in the morning for day two.